Here's how to get the most out of in-market intercept. So let's pretend that we are in the website editor space and we have some competing service with Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress, all that kind of stuff. So I'm already tracking Wix and Squarespace. Let's throw in Weebly as well. So I'll enter the top level brand name, the website. Is that HTTPS? Yep. There we go. So for product names, let's do Weebly website. Exact match because it's 2+ words for the key phrase. And let's do Weebly store. So on the product names, it's important to include the brand name as well. Don't just say store or website. It's literally going to find every piece of content around the web that has website or store. So include the brand name definitely with the product names. Okay, so we'll add Weebly. This will take a minute or two. And there we go. Okay, so it's just loading up now, and let's go take a look at the results that it's finding. So in-market intercept, it pulls all the recent publicity, intentional or otherwise, as well as just general buzz across every major channel on the web. So news coverage, blogs, articles, forum discussions, and videos. The way that this app works, you can switch between the competitors you're tracking down in each section, and it changes all sections. So we switched the entire view now to Squarespace. And now we can switch it over to Weebly. So this, what it does, basically, it gives you a way to keep track of what your competitors are intentionally doing. So what their news angles are, press angles, what their content promotion angles are, and who is promoting them. So it's a great way to find new influencers to work with, and so on. What customers are talking about on forums, and maybe some ways to hop in on that conversation and add some value, but also promote your own business. And then taking a look at what is happening on YouTube for the videos that they're creating and videos that maybe their customers or people just in general in the market are creating, to get a bunch of ideas for how you can promote your business, what angles you can have with your content strategy, and also some direct promotional opportunities. So, maybe it makes sense if you're wanting to be a bit more aggressive. You can take a look at whether you could drop banner ads on a specific page or comments, maybe. So you can do that by adding a site to our footprint scan. Just click the button. And so it looks like this page here, openpr.com, doesn't have any comments as an option, but it does have, it looks like quite a few different ad tech footprints. So that probably means that you can drop a banner on this site programmatically. And then you could use Google's managed placements feature to specifically target this page if you wanted to. So anyway, that's how the app works. At a top level, it's just a good way to keep track of what is happening with your competitors, so you're not missing out on traffic sources or backlink sources that are working well for them. You're not missing out on any content or press angles that they're using, maybe with some success, and also so that you can see kind of what customers are talking about across the web with respect to your competitors. So that's how the app works. I recommend, you probably don't need to have this refresh automatically any more than weekly. So probably weekly is good for most people. What we include with your plan is probably more than enough as well for the volume of competitors. You can always increase that if you want to. I would keep it to probably like 3 to 5 tracked competitors, and ideally go for the 5 biggest competitors you have in the space, because that will generate the most results. But now you can never be now you'll never be left out. You'll always know what's going on, and you'll always have the best and freshest angles to go out and forge your own promotion and publicity in your own market. So all thanks to your competitors' hard work. That's how the app works. Thanks so much.